if anybody can see this out there, but it is fucking pouring down rain like mad. Oh shit! I've never seen it rain like this. I can't even go outside to show you anything. This is just for my front porch. And yes, before anybody asks, there is a mop and a couch on my front porch. And no, I'm not a redneck. Jack off. See if I can open a door again without getting wet. May not be able to see it, but I know you can hear it. Ugh, look at my hand. Just for having the door open for a few minutes. Fucking nuts, dude.